Blessing Nation, welcome back to another video, people. Today I head out to Cane River, and you don't know, normally me and the family are roll and thing, but I went and did some work, and then I pick up a good friend of mine that we heading out to Cane River Falls. So we have
Wagwan, top of the morning, my world. Yeah, my name is Kish my world, if this is the first time you're seeing this face. And I am a travel vlogger all the way from the motherland, Africa, Kenya, representing, and I came to bless up this channel here and just explore with you guys. So make sure you check out my page. It's called Kish My World. I do a lot of travel content, and right now I am loving Jamaica. It's like one of my favorite countries so far, and I am so happy to be hosted here by Yahman TV. Thank you so much for hosting me, bringing me here. I appreciate it, man. Thanks so much. And this is such a beautiful area you've brought us, man.
Yeah, man. We're in the hills and the valley.
And I'm at
St. Thomas,
and we even still haven't seen anything yet, so I'm just looking forward to exploring the waters, the river, everything, to wash my dreadlocks, the same place Bob Marley washed his dreadlocks, Yeah, I'm loving it, man. Yeah. So what do I expect?
So it's gonna be, it's like a cave in a river valley.
Okay, wow.
So, and the water is very nice and cool. So you're gonna love it, man. You're gonna love it.
I love nice and cool.
Yeah.
It's so hot, so warm outside here, so it's just gonna be an amazing experience. So man, I can't thank you enough for bringing me here, taking me around and seeing this place. Thank you. And if you're watching this from Kish My World, man, make sure you subscribe to a brother here. Just, let's build up the subscriptions, like, share, comment, and just comment down below from Kish My World. So we see that we've brought him some love all the way from Africa, Jamaica, America, everywhere. Europe, yeah man, let's do this.
Yeah man, let's build it.
Very, very beautiful area you have here, Oh, look at this. This is your everyday life.
Yeah man, everyday life.
Wow. The nature, the beauty.
Nature and the beauty of Jamaica.
Man, it makes me feel like I really want to move to Jamaica, like for good, Wow. Man, this is so nice.
So yeah, people, so gonna stay tuned and watch the vibes. All who know Cane River, just comment down below, comment down below. Tell me all of the people that visit Cane River when you're in Jamaica, or if you're in Jamaica and visit Cane River before. Just comment and tell me your experience that you have here in Cane River. So we just take Kish My World there to show him, make him see what it look like, and make him wash him dreadlocks like Bob Marley.
That is it.
Alright?
Yeah.
So wanna just lock in. Alright?
Lion.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
That is it. just reached Cane River Falls. See the sign here? Yeah. So we're here. So now we are gonna explore and show the falls and the river and see what it look like. All who don't know Cane River Falls. So I'm there here for show you and thing. My face full airy. That's all. Yeah, one will trim. But me will trim soon. You see me? The first time I come here at the river here and me and my family. You guys know, most of you guys supposed to know that me and my family travel around Jamaica and find those hidden gems. So Cane River is where Bob Marley come wash him locks. So we have a picture here with Bob Marley as well. Make you see. So look now, man. So this is the parking lot area. You're over here. This area, when you enter Cane River, this is where you come and pay an entry fee of 500 Jamaican dollar per person to go in. So this is the parking lot area. Big tree in the lawn. And we're there here with Kish my world.
Yeah, man, top of the morning.
Yeah.
It feels so calm, you know, and peaceful here. Yeah, so I'm excited to jump in. So, where do we go direct?
Yeah, we're going direct.
This way, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's the entrance. Okay. Nice.
You guys can hear the rushing of the water.
Yeah, it's so tranquil.
Just show what's going on. Look over here, so. The water rush down. We're going to enter through the cave right here, so. Alright? So stay tuned. Okay, so this is where we enter through. Yes, you can hear the water rushing down. That's the water over there running down. So we are going through one cave like. Look at it. Around. It's just nature. Oh, one bridge here above we. As well, see some car on the bridge there as well. So yeah, let's enter. Notice the notice sign. Right, entering. Look now, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at it. Nice cave looking area. So this is the entrance area. This look like one lion or one tiger. Tell me what it look like. Comment and tell me. Is it a tiger or a lion? So we are walking. Yeah. It's a nice place. In here feel cold. I look at my sinner back. But I can't see any. Wow. Look down there. You seen it? Woo! Damn. Alright, we'll continue walking. You have people write up on the stone and draw stuff on the stone them. So make you show no what go on. I don't know if I want Rasta man this. But look at it. Yeah. It's a long way down. So no. So if you guys are, if you now come Cane River, just know say we have a lot of step to go down. Alright? There's a lot of step. So now if you be fit. No, you're not 100% fit. Because I'm not 100% fit. I have to drink one Gatorade here to keep me to go down the hill and to come back up. Alright? Jano Star. Look at the beauty, man. I who say Jamaica is nice. Look at my country. Look at Jamaica. So where I come from there. We around there, so Jano. Water around. See it? Tell you no, a whole heap of step. Is a lot of step. And Monique. You think you could have managed them step here in the morning here? Yeah man, big up to my wife and Monique. And my kids. You don't know say we always do them adventure here, but today it's like just a solo adventure to Cane River and go check it out and well to swim. So we're there here, man. Right? So I just reached down to the river now. The last step. I walk around here, so also if you normally come, you can also cook your food as well. Jano. Alright, I walk go around to the riverside. Running water. Climb up on the stay tuned. Look at these people. Tell me all who know this guy.
Apoko? That is it, you know?
Yeah, man. Go pick him up. Alright. So we're here. So this is the waterfall, people. Oh my. Morning, Chief. What going? How we have to put up it stand them from here so up here so. Oh, so we still can go in there go swim, right? Yeah, so them have catch sand in a bag and like block the water like to make a pool area where you can swim in. But me go check it out and think me just a cool off little. But look at it. Nice. So this is it, people. Life of a Jamaican. Who say? Who just do? I don't know if you not hear me clearly. But yeah. I I walk go by falls. Now see me? Yeah, me have to turn the camera. Make a light. Look at the waterfall. Wait till me can go in there, my boss. Wow. This is what they did. They put the stone right here so they can make a pool area where you can go in and swim. Look, man. Climb on them rocky, I have problem, you know. Yes! I made it! I am up here! Woo! I am good! No! Woo! Bring it to me! What's that? Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Oh my! Here. My dad, come up. Yeah, man, it's safe, man. Look like he's freeing. My water gets me on my shoulder, watch it. Just step on the sandbag way down there. Yeah. And climb over. But this is what Chain River look like, people. Look, man. General just climb up and jump off. I hope you not hear me because I have to even hear myself that good. So I hope you guys hearing me. So yeah, look like somebody that can climb up to the falls and jump off. But let us see. Where say I jump off? Hold them! Hold on! Jump on far, man. Where's your turn now, daddy? You jump off out there? Yeah, man, that every man. Where's that? Yeah, man, so all who don't visit Cane River and you're in Jamaica, you should visit here, man. Here there's a nice spot you can come and visit, man. Or if you're not in Jamaica and you want to come and Cane River, you can link me up and we can make a trad, or we can take a trip and come here to Cane River Falls here in St. Thomas. And St. Thomas have a lot more river that a lot of people don't know about. And me and my family I go explore them. Okay? So if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe. So when those videos drop, you can see St. Thomas. Alright? St. Thomas have a lot to offer as well. Yeah, man. How's the Jamaica nice? Oh, no missing out. Yeah, man. The general them the right here, so I make like a pool area with the sandbag them, where people can swim. You see it, so when you come, you just pay on the $500 to come in. Nothing too expensive. You see me? Alright, I go done the talking and hold some more swim and make you guys get to see the place. Alright? Don't it? Where's the kids? Alright?
Amazing, man. All good. I say what? Best experience, you know. The waterfall is crazy, it's crazy. Make sure you come here if in Jamaica. Come and see for yourself. Respect.
Yeah, man. So here, come if you're in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Right in a center, man. What? Yeah. Alright, me go try go on die falls now. On the other side, one on the way back. The other side. Wipe off the camera. Lane. Okay. Power pull on the lever. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, a big swimmer that, you know. Yeah, I'll make sure that you can swim when you come. Yeah. And don't chance to go under the fall if you can't swim, guy. The falls will wash away. Yes, man. We're here.
We are going in there and swim cross, heavy, right cross. Alright, Alright, nice. Mermaid! Little mermaid! There I walk out here, go down the river liquor, barefoot, no slippers, only a Jamaican can do that. I joke, I'm not sure, but yeah man, if you have swimming shoes, you wear your swimming shoes or slippers. Mister, this is Bob Marley right here. Bob Marley and the Rock. This is where him come wash him locks. Yes, no man. So Bob Marley at Cane River, the legend, this side of him. Look now man, one year man, the here side of Bob Marley, the legend. Yeah. It's like river run gone way around, so I'm not sure around so. But me I try flying my drone. But I don't know, we're probably dug in a valley here, so it no that tell me about GPS something another. But like how me around here, so I go come get around here and try to fly. Go down there so I see what they around there. But me see what next amazing drawing from the wall again. One big lion. That one you look like lion.
make you see. Yeah. Look like lion, though. Yeah, man. So that's a real lion in a Cane River. Cane River Falls. Are we there? Alright. I'm gonna try to see if we can get some drone footage. Alright? Lock in for that. Lock in. Lock. The Kish here, so we're gonna find out what going on with Kish. What going on, brethren?
What one?
Everything alright?
Everything good. I'm recharging my camera, my cards, because it's been a wonderful swim, you know. And also the sun is out, so you can have the water there and take in the sun.
Yeah.
Amazing paradise, you know. And you just think about your life and everything that's going on. It's the best, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And this is the remedy I needed today, you know. So I feel like,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cause Kish him sick all week.
Yeah, man.
And so come to the river to come wash out some of my sickness, you see it? So that's the remedy that we use in Jamaica. Normally we got a river or beach, to get rid of the sickness.
Yeah.
So and that Kisha do today.
Bye bye Sicky, go away.
Yeah. Fire burn for Sicky.
Fire burn for Sicky.
Yeah, no Sicky around here.
Yeah. How
Man.
do you like it so far?
Yeah, man. It's very nice. But tell us that Jamaica is a paradise.
Yeah.
And a lot of people live in Jamaica and don't know about these places.
Yeah.
So I make it my duty to visit these rivers, highlight them so other people in Jamaica can visit them.
Yeah.
Alright?
If you want, you can also offer tours for them. You can bring them here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also, you have a company that does that.
Yeah. So I do have a company that do tours, like take people around Jamaica anywhere they want to go. And I take them to some of these hidden locations that you don't know about. So today, you get to see the real Cane River Falls and have a lot more hidden rivers and beaches coming up. Yeah, man. So people are rolling. You have a few people that are forward in that place. Alright? So I'm go and lock in. I'm going to try to see if we can fly the drone. But I get the footage them what we need. The drone. Show me the down in a valley here, so it tell me about GPS problem and all of those things. So I get a few footage, but not a lot. So but we make you see what going on after, alright? Yeah, man. So we go check out the river more. Post it again. Woo! Where's that? You are gonna. Hold on, let me try. mad. More people are checking. Oh, now 360 at the play. find you?
So you guys can find my music on Spotify. My artist name is Regina Dixon Styled, RGNA space DXN. YouTube Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, and what else? Even on TikTok, they can dance to my song.
Oh, nice. You want to give them a little piece?
I redefine definitions, create my own visions. I don't stick to labels, I create my own missions. Always resistant, fight for remittance. I don't know about you, but I'm always persistent, consistent, resilient, super deep perfection. I am like a baker, I create my own confections, connections, I need them, I really need to make them. Forming all the links that I need for me to make it, not break it. My dreams, don't try to fake it. All I ask of you is to please stop the hating, I'm waiting. I'm not being patient, cause time is of the essence.
So guys, go over there and check out our music. Big artist, Cane River.
ROGINEA Regina Dixon, don't forget it.
Yes, no man. I hear that. Check her out. That is it. So, people, it was the vibes at the river. We are going to head out here now and go back home. But I don't know if we'll probably stop on the road and get no food or anything, but if we do that, you know, we'll see. But if not, I will catch you guys in the next video. Anything you want to say, Kish?
Yeah man, it's been amazing in these waterfalls. So I encourage everyone to come here, come and see them for yourselves. It's not crowded at all. Only very little people, you know, friendly people also. We had a lot of fun. The water was falling like crazy. So definitely amazing. So remember, I have a YouTube page. It's called Kish My World. Kish My World. Like, subscribe, share. And if you're watching this from Kish My World, be sure to check out this channel you're watching now, you know, and say Kish My World, send me here. Alright, top of the morning, take care.
Alright, we catch you guys in our next adventure. We don't know where, but somewhere in Jamaica. Little more.